hotter than the devil's butt crack. Welcome back, guys. We got another vlog for y'all. This one's not gonna be anything too crazy just because I just got off work. I work in HVAC. I'm exhausted. But we're headed to... I tightened my chin strap way too tight. But we're headed to a cycle gear meet. It's our cycle gear bike night. What the hell? What are they doing here? Yeah, there's a couple things. I'm really going to visit with my sponsor. Which, on that note, I did get a couple of new sponsors. One of them is I'll put their ads up on the screen right here, but one of them's Steadfast Performance. They're great guys. They're the people who tune my bike. They've helped a lot with everything. Whenever it comes to bike, getting helmets, whatever the case may be, they helped a lot. And then second sponsor is Ride Rich. I'm actually wearing their armor hoodie right now. Ride Rich, I've always liked their style, their comfortability of all their clothing. Yeah, the code, I have codes for discounts. Like I said, I'll post everything up on the screen. But yeah, those are my two sponsors. They both have treated me really well. I highly recommend a lot of them. I highly recommend them. Both companies, both people, both owners, whatever you want to call it, they both do extremely well at running their business. Oh, that looks like rain over there. I'm probably gonna get rained on. Yeah, sorry for... I'm not really active on YouTube as much as I want to, man. I'm really active on all my socials. Well, YouTube's a social, but I mean like Instagram, TikTok, that kind of stuff. All that stuff, it's in my link tree in my bio on my YouTube. But if you're too lazy to click that, here it is. It's a one-way rides on all socials. I mean, I just YouTube. I don't have a lot of time on my hand. It's our busy season with work, so... Oh yeah, I can smell the rain. Yeah, I've actually been really busy recently. I've been getting a lot of rollers with Itty. You'll see that over on my Instagram. It's actually really fun. It's very satisfying because it makes me realize the progress I've made with my bike. Target run, that's definitely a mom. Thank you. That person scooted over for me. Beep beep, coming through, mother heifers. Coming through, mother heifers. Sorry, not sorry. Get a bike. Get a bike, baby. There's no way this many bugs already got on my visor. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. It's just all friggin' lane splitting. That's all it is. I wish. Oh, there's rain. Oh no. Be careful. This is where all the oils come up. I can feel my bike slipping on these little fucking thingy-mabobs. On the bright side, it feels great. Yeah. Pro tip in the rain. Oh, dude, this fucking hurts. Hell no. Don't ride in the rain. Pro tip. Oh. But what I was saying was your visor gets all water dropped up. You don't just move your head to the side and then the wind will push it'll push them off. Oh yeah, it's done. Now that I'm wet, I mean, whoa, hold up. It feels so nice now that I got rain on. Dude, honestly, from my last backroads video, I don't think I got the bug off the freaking camera on the lens right here. So there's probably a bug for y'all. If not, congratulations, you. Green, turn green, turn green. Come on, 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 come on. It's hot. It's hot. Let me go. It's hot. Oh shit. Oh yes, wind, 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 wind. Look at the rays of sunshine. Now that, yeah. Oh, more split. Is that a cop? Nope. No! Always watch out for people. Yes, I was going fast, but you gotta predict. You gotta predict. Whoa, I don't like you pulling out like that. I'm gonna cut the camera. Whenever I get to the meet, I'll go ahead and turn it on. But I will catch y'all at cycle gear. It's literally right there. But peace out. See you at the meet. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know the camera was literally off for like 20 seconds. That's it. Scared the shit out of me. Huh? You scared the shit out of me.
Where's your helmet?
I had the vlog. I told you I was gonna vlog.
You don't have a mount on yours?
I ordered it. It was supposed to be here today, but it got put back. I know.
Well, I didn't want to spoiler your day about your spoiler, but it was spoiled.
I see what you did there. The irony.
That was my only
pun. Everybody, this is Luis over at Steadfast Performance. Yeah, this is the main man. He actually helped out a lot with the bike itself. He lets me tune, but yeah, he's the man. If you ever need anything, I'll put his at in the video, and then y'all can hit him up for stuff. All right, guys. Do it. Oh. Well, guys, that was I'm exhausted. That's the main reason why I left. Whenever I was getting ready to leave, everybody showed up, so I was like, I'm not putting my helmet on. No, we're just having a chill ride. I'm solo today. I got no one with me. And plus, it's supposed to rain again in like an hour. I didn't want to stay too long. Oh yeah, I also got my suspension tuned while I was at that meet. Steadfast, we stiffened up everything because I'm a skinny boy. I don't weigh much. Everything was feeling a little bit spongy for me. What? Sequoia? What the? Oh yeah, it already feels a lot more responsive. What the hell was that? That looks like rain. I'm gonna get stuck in rain again. Yeah, I can smell it. cold, bro. I'm cold. I got caught. That's what I was trying to avoid. Well, there's probably water on my lens, but yeah, I would keep riding, but I can't see. That's my problem. I can't see because the wind is going against me, and on top of that, it's raining. This is fun. I'm stuck here, but look how good she looks. Hey, you have to experience riding in the rain. It's honestly, it was like 95 today, 96. This rain feels extremely good. On the bright side, it's not really raining too hard, but I guess I can go ahead and get a, here we go. Yeah, I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, I guess. I tried to beat the rain, that's why I left a little bit early as well. But as you can see, rain won. So yeah, if y'all like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. I love the support that y'all have been showing me. I love the support you've been showing me. But until next time, ride your ride, be safe, make it home. There's been too many deaths recently, so make it home safe, guys. I will catch you on the next video. Peace.